Now, earlier you listened to the story about the life cycle of a butterfly. Remember, he goes through, he starts out as an egg, and then what was next? Do you remember? Remember? What was next after the egg? Oh, he comes out of the egg and he's a little larva, right? He's just a little larva, a little insect bug. And he eats his shell. Remember? That's the first thing he eats. And then he goes on the leaf and he eats some more. And he gets bigger and bigger. And then the little larva looks more like a caterpillar. His body's changing. And he eats so much, eats. And then he has to shed his skin. So his old skin comes off and he has a new skin underneath that's a little bit larger. And he eats more, eat. And then he has to shed his skin again because it's too tight. So it kind of takes it off, like taking off a coat. And he eats. And he might even shed his skin one more time. 3 times altogether. Oh, and by then he's so full. What happens after he's done eating all those leaves, do you know? Yeah, it's time for him to go up into, hang from a branch, and he forms a chrysalis around himself. And inside there, he's changing his body. He's not going to look like a caterpillar anymore. His little body's changing, and he changes into a butterfly, yes. So when he's in that chrysalis, when he forms that chrysalis around him, he is changing, metamorphosis. And then he comes out, and he's a beautiful butterfly. Just like the song said, okay? Remember? Caterpillar crawl to the top of the tree. Do the song again if you want. Well, anyway, I want to see if you can draw the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay? So I'm just going to turn it, and let's see if we could do that together. All right? The life cycle of a butterfly. So first, remember, the mother butterfly comes over and she lays eggs on a leaf. And remember, she does a whole bunch of them. And they're usually yellow, okay? So that's what happened first, okay? After the mother lays the eggs, okay? The next thing that happens is the egg hatches and out comes a little larva, little black larva with 3 legs on each side, okay? And he eats his shell, nom, okay? And he eats and he eats and he eats, okay? And he becomes a caterpillar. He's eaten so much, he looks more like this, right? Okay? Because he ate so much and he shed his skin. So we had the egg, then the larva, right? The caterpillar was next, so this was 2, this was 3, and after that, remember, he goes on a branch of a tree or under a leaf, and he climbs up there, and he makes a chrysalis. He's in there and he's changing. His body's changing. Metamorphosis. This caterpillar won't look like that anymore. He's in there and he's changing. And then when he comes out, so this is number 4, and when he comes out, he's a butterfly. So let's draw a butterfly. Remember, here's the head, the thorax, the abdomen. He has 2 antennae. He has wings. And even though you can't usually see him that much, he does have 6 legs. And lots of times they have beautiful spots on them. Okay, and he has a mouth up there. And his eyes. Okay? And see if you can draw the life cycle of a butterfly. Remember, it's eggs, larva, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. And then the butterfly lays eggs, and it happens over and over and over again. Eggs, larva, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Eggs, larva, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. And that's the life cycle of a butterfly. See if you can do it. Okay? Show me. Snap a picture. All right, bye.